Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to start the lesson number 4, that is about grammar, the parts of speech. In the previous lesson you have learned about noun, pronoun, use of articles a and the prepositions and their use in a sentence. Today we shall learn about adjectives and adjective phrases and their use in a sentence. First of all, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Adjective वो एक वर्ड होता है जो किसी भी नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बारे में इन्फॉर्म करे, उसे डिस्क्राइब करे. An adjective always comes before a noun. And जो adjective है वो हमें हमेशा noun से पहले उसको यूज़ करते हैं. There are many types of adjectives. The two major types of adjectives are adjectives of quality and adjectives of quantity. Here are many examples. The first example is black dress. Dress is a noun और black is an adjective. Black हमें बताता है कि dress कैसा है. It is black in color. Next example, a new pen. Pen is a noun और new क्या है? Adjective. A new pen. An old building. Building old बताता है कि ये building पुरानी है. The green apples. Apples किस कलर के हैं? Green है, तो green क्या है? Adjective. और ये सब examples कौन सी हैं? These are the adjectives of quality. The next example, pencils. How many pencils? 2 pencils. 2 जो है ये कौन सा adjective है? Adjective of quantity. Next is, I have selected an activity from the book, page number 19. Add adjectives to these sentences. The given sentence was, the man died. The old man died. The next, the dog lay down. The lazy dog lay down. इन दोनों examples में, पहले example में old और दूसरी example में lazy जो है वो क्या है? ये adjectives हैं. Third, the angry lion leapt. Leapt mean jumped. Angry lion, angry क्या है? Adjective. Next, fourth sentence, an important meeting took place. A meeting took place. What type of meeting? An important. Important is an adjective. A thing happened. A strange thing happened. Strange is an adjective. A girl fainted. A sick girl fainted. फिर क्या है? Adjective. A big parcel arrived. Parcel arrived और parcel कैसा है? It is big. तो big क्या है? Adjective. The new pen broke. Pen is a noun. New क्या है? Adjective. The tree fell down. The tall tree fell down. Tall क्या है? Adjective. A short policeman came. और एक policeman क्या है? Noun. और short क्या है? Adjective. The next topic is adjective phrases. Adjective phrases क्या होती हैं? A phrase that tells us about a noun or works like an adjective is called adjective phrase. It is a group of words जो कि एक ऐसा group of words है जो कि adjective का काम करता है और उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Adjective phrases. An adjective comes before a noun whereas an adjective phrase comes after a noun. Adjective phrase जो है वो noun के बाद में उसके बाद में इस्तेमाल होती है, जबकि adjective noun से पहले यूज़ किया जाता है. Again, I have selected an activity from the book, the page number 25. The question is, add adjectives and adjective phrases to these sentences. The first given sentence was, we heard music. We heard music. Now, after adding adjective and adjective phrase, the sentence says, we heard some old music of classical type. Old is adjective. Of classical type is adjective phrase. We heard some old music of classical type. In the second sentence, the given sentence was, we saw a man. We saw a man. Here we have used young as adjective, wearing red shirt, adjective phrase. The sentence is, we saw a young man wearing red shirt. The third sentence, Robert bought a pen. Adjective is new, adjective phrase is with a golden nib. The sentence is now, Robert bought a new pen with a golden nib. With a golden nib is adjective phrase, new is an adjective. The fourth sentence is, the teacher gave a lesson. The given sentence was, the teacher gave a lesson. Here we have used adjective informative. About Islamic history is an adjective phrase. Now the sentence has become, the teacher gave an informative lesson about Islamic history. Informative is adjective. About Islamic history is adjective phrase. And it has come after noun, that is lesson. The given sentence was the number 5 sentence. He gave the man a blow. He gave the man a blow. Here I have used hard as adjective. With a fist is adjective phrase. Now the sentence is, he gave the man a hard blow with a fist. With a fist, adjective phrase, hard, adjective. He gave the man a hard blow. Sixth sentence, they sang a song. The given sentence was, they sang a song. Now here we have used folk adjective with flute. Flute किसको कहते हैं? बांसुरी को कहते हैं. तो क्या है जी? The sentence is now, they sang a folk song with flute. तो with flute क्या है? Adjective phrase. Folk क्या है? Adjective. Now the seventh sentence, the given one was, she baked a cake. Here adjective that has been used is chocolate. Mixed with nuts is adjective phrase. Now the sentence is now, she baked a chocolate cake mixed with nuts. She baked a chocolate cake mixed with nuts. The eighth sentence, his father bought a house. The given sentence was, his father bought a house. Now here the double story has been used as an adjective. Painted white is an adjective phrase. Now the sentence is now, his father bought a double-story house painted white. Now the next sentence is, she borrowed a book. She borrowed a book about plants. She borrowed an interesting book about plant. An interesting is an adjective. About plants is adjective phrase. Now the sentence has become, she borrowed an interesting book about